Most traders lose money not because their strategy is bad, but because they trade too much, too often, and without patience. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple, powerful Forex strategy that lets you trade once per day, using D1 and M15, with pending orders and minimal screen time. This strategy is not about excitement, it's about structure, patience, and consistency. If you've been overtrading, chasing entries, or glued to your screen all day, this video is for you. This strategy is built on one core principle: let the market come to you. We don't chase price, we don't force entries, we don't trade every candle, we follow one direction, wait for a market impulse shift, MIS, and place pending orders at key lows or highs. That's it. Step 1 is very simple. Go to the daily time frame, D1. Your only job here is to ask one question: is the market in a drawdown or expansion? If price has pulled back from a high, that's a drawdown. If price is pushing strongly in one direction, that's expansion. Important: we do not trade against D1 direction. If D1 shows bullish structure, we only look for buys. If D1 shows bearish structure, we only look for sells. This alone filters out 70–80% of bad trades. Once D1 direction is clear, drop to M15. Now we wait. We are waiting for MIS, market impulse shift. MIS means the market breaks structure, momentum changes, price shows intention. You'll usually see strong candles, clean structure break, price moving with purpose. This is where most traders make a mistake. They enter immediately. We don't. After MIS happens, we do nothing. Yes, nothing. We expect price to come back down, or up, to the low of the MIS move. Why? Because markets don't move in straight lines. They impulse, then retrace, then continue. This is where patience becomes a professional skill. Most traders enter at the top of excitement, professionals enter at structure. When price pulls back to the low of MIS, we place a pending order. Not market execution, not emotional clicking. Pending buy at MIS low for bullish setup. Pending sell at MIS high for bearish setup. This allows you to avoid emotions, avoid overtrading, trade from your phone, walk away from the screen. You don't need to watch every candle. Here's the beauty of this strategy. You repeat this once per day. If price hits the order and reacts, great. If price doesn't activate, delete the order and replace the next day. No revenge trading, no forcing trades, just one clean setup per day. Sometimes, price will hit your order, pull back, then continue in your direction. If that happens, you're in profit. If price activates, then invalidates, that's trading. Losses are business expenses, not failures. Over 6 months, this strategy rewards consistency, discipline, patience, not speed. This strategy works because you follow higher time frame direction, you enter at structure, not emotion, you trade less, but smarter, you let probability do the work. It gives you freedom from charts, freedom from stress, freedom to trade from anywhere. If you've been stuck, frustrated, or overtrading, simplify. Patience looks like doing nothing, discipline looks boring, but consistency builds accounts. In the description, I've shared the tools and indicators I personally use to spot direction and structure faster. Check them out, study them, and apply this strategy with discipline. If this video helped you, like, share it with another trader. Subscribe for more real Forex education. I'll see you in the next one.